All right, before we get started today, I just wanted to give a huge thank you to all of you who have hit that subscribe button for me. I'm so close to getting the 1,000 subscribers, only need 200 something more, so keep on clicking that button for me. Okay, today we're gonna be caulking the cabinet to the wall right here. Now, when you see the separation here, do not freak out. In the winter time, the wood contracts and it expands with the weather. So you might get a little bit of cracking like on your crown molding, maybe around your baseboards, and definitely right here by your cabinetry that's connected to the walls. So I'm gonna show you guys the best caulking to use when you're painting so that the sheen of the caulking doesn't come through.
All right, so you can see here where the cabinet's coming away from the wall. So just scrape off that caulking with a putty knife, tape the walls so you don't get any caulking on your drywall. Run that bead down. Use a dry finger and then come back with a wet finger. And I just use my finger right here. It's just easier. And then go ahead and take that tape off immediately. And then wait 24 hours before you paint the little parts that got onto the wall. Okay, so you're going to tape that off. I use this green frog tape and then just kind of feather that out from the wall, just to kind of blend that in a little bit. And then I like to wait about 5 minutes after I paint, 5 to 10 minutes, and then take that tape off. And then there you go. Beautiful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tools from Stacy DIY.